More work, same output. You're pushing more new work into the system but can't seem to produce more. And there's a very common belief in operations that if everything is kept busy, that will get maximum efficiency and output. Every process is working, everyone is active, nothing is sitting idle, so the system must be performing well, right? But typically, that is not how things work. In any real or mildly complex production environment, every step, every process has a different capability, its own speed, availability, and capacity. Some are faster, some are slower, some have longer setup times, some have more issues, and so on. And if you try to keep all of them all busy all the time, you don't increase system output. What you do is create overproduction away from the constraint, creating WIP, work in progress inventory, staff for jobs that are started but not yet finished. For those of you new to my channel, hi, I'm Lawrence Gartside. I work with high volume manufacturers to better understand and increase their capacity through improvement rather than CapEx. The system's output is not defined by how busy people are, diligently try to be, nor appear to be. It's defined by shipments out of the system, and the system output is limited by the capacity of the constraint. The constraint can only produce at its capacity. That could be improved with effort, but its current capacity is what it can do. All the other steps, diligently and rapidly making more, does not help that. So when non-constraint processes try to maximize their output, they just create more work in progress, WIP. This is inventory that cannot be processed at the same rate through the constraint, and it builds up between steps, and builds up, and builds up. If your manufacturing operations have strong demand but can't keep up, take my free Throughput Readiness Assessment. It takes about 3 minutes, and it will help you assess whether you're ready to unlock hidden capacity in your operations, or what might still be missing. Link in the description below. All that extra WIP starts creating new problems. It ties up cash. It consumes space. It makes it hard to move around, to find things. It creates complexity in scheduling, prioritization, and control. And it makes the entire system harder to manage, all without increasing system output, and pretty soon actually decreasing it. If you are trying to maximize output, the goal is not to keep everyone busy. The goal is to protect and support the maximum flow through the constraint. Balancing capacity sounds nice, but it's a dangerous phrase. We must accept that non-constraints will sometimes be idle. That is not inefficiency, that is necessary for the system to work. And if you incentivize activity everywhere, or blindly punish idleness, you will get the opposite of what you want. You will get more work in the system, more disruption, and no more output. If system output isn't increasing, keeping everyone busy isn't improving the system. It's just creating more work in progress that the system cannot finish. So, are you ready to unlock hidden capacity in your operations? Have a look at my Throughput Readiness Assessment, link in the description below. Other value propositions? Check out my latest book, Constraint and Bottleneck Management, available on Amazon Kindle, and my library of operations management training courses on Udemy and LinkedIn Learning, where over 180,000 paying professionals have studied with me. And once again, for you busy manufacturing businesses, check out my free 3-minute Throughput Unlock Readiness Assessment. All right, crack on.